Hello, everyone. Welcome to our midweek analysis of the Forex pairs. So, before we even move forward to our analysis this evening, um, don't forget we still have the promo running, the 25% off, which give oh sorry, the 35% off that gives you 35% off or instant funded above 25k, and the coupon code is HORT35. So please note it's going to end on the 23rd of August at 10 a.m. CET. So that is literally 3 days from now. So make sure you take advantage of this offer before it ends. So without any further ado, let us now go into our usual forex pairs and metals and indices, you name it. Lastly, with crypto, as usual. So let's start off with the dollar index. So the dollar index has literally done what we were expected to do. Yeah, these two trend lines were broken, and we breached all the way up, and then we are coming down here to the trend line to retest it. So it's most likely that as the week, oh sorry, my bad, this was dollar Mexican, right? Okay, there we go. This is dollar index. So the dollar index breached the trend line, moved slightly up. We're in a pullback. So we're currently expecting a move up. We're actually expecting a further move down to touch the support level. It's still possible though. Even probably before Friday, it's possible that we could come all the way down here. But let's wait and see. Overall, my bet is that we might be coming back up here before we even actually come all the way down. So that is my anticipation on the dollar index. So now let's look at dollar Mexican. So dollar Mexican, there were two trend lines, and right now they got broken. So now we're having like a retest of some kind coming all the way down here. Then we'll bounce from here, then come all the way up here. So that is my anticipation for dollar Mexican. Then let's look at dollar yen. So dollar yen has been a bit erratic. The trend line has been broken. I don't know if we can call this a pullback test, but either way, this seems to be a pullback before it actually goes all the way up. And again, it is still in this consolidation. So we really want to get out of this box before we can even think of doing anything else. So we're looking for dollar yen to probably reach all the way back up here around the 146 area before we even consider this to be a change of trend and that we are going back up. And we're also looking to take out this previous resistance. Then from there, it should be smooth sailing all the way up to 151. So that is what we are anticipating on dollar yen. And let's look at euro dollar. Euro dollar has broken the trend line. It tested the trend line, and we're coming all the way down. We already made a new low. So I do think we could be coming all the way down here for this week and of the end of the week. But for this week, I think we might just actually be making a new low over here since we only have like 2 days left in this week. So that is what I'm anticipating on euro dollar. Then let's look at CADCHF. So CADCHF is continuing its mission to continue all the way down. So we are literally on our way to make a new low. We pushed further down today, and yeah, a new low is definitely coming for CAD Swiss. That is what I'm anticipating. But before that happens, we might be having to pull back into this area. Then from there, that's when we can continue all the way down. And then let's look at pound yen. Pound yen broke the trend line, retested it, broke the previous low over here, which we're anticipating, and now it seems like this support level has been broken as well. So we could even be heading to 197, 197,384 for the rest of the week. We could be reaching that level because pound yen is a bit volatile. So we could be actually reaching this level really soon. So let's keep an eye watch on that. Then let's look at pound dollar. So pound dollar reached the resistance here, broke the trend line really smoothly, textbook type stuff. And we are still on our jolly way all the way down to 100. Oh, sorry, not 100, 1.3400. So that is where I'm anticipating we might come by the end of the week, especially after the FOMC minutes meeting, which still hasn't taken full effect, but we are going to see the effects of it very soon. So let's just be ready for that. Then let's look at gold. So gold today has been up 1%. This is a whole 1% right here. And we seem to be coming up here to a level we anticipated. So we might actually end the week right above 3375. So let's look at that and anticipate this move for the remainder of this week. Then let's look at NAS 100. So NAS 100 has finally dropped to our first support level that we're anticipating, and it has left a whole trail right here. So I think this was due to FOMC minutes, but yeah, we might actually be continuing with this because this was like a long week. So we might actually be coming all the way down here. And then finally, 22700 could be our last support level before we start actually going back all the way up. So let's keep an eye and watch on that. Then let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, the true trend lines were broken and the support level has been touched. So where are we going from here? This support level has been touched. So where are we going from here? So we can now probably change up these trend lines, put it all the way here. Let's put it that there and that. Okay. So this is like a very steep trend line. So yeah. Okay. So we could be breaking this trend line real soon. Once that is done, we could be looking to come all the way up to 117 resistance here. Then we'll see how price reacts off this level. If it strongly rejects, then we could be looking to make a new low. But if it breaks right above, we could be looking to take out these previous resistance levels and probably aiming for the main major one right here at the previous high of 124,000 for a Bitcoin. Then let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum has been in a downtrend as of recent here, and we are literally touching it. So I'm thinking the next move on Ethereum right now is that it's gonna bounce off this trend line and come all the way down here, and then maybe look to make a new low. So this could also be another good trading opportunity with a high stop loss. So if we do have some slight rejection here, this could be a nice entry point, and then we'll be looking to come all the way down here. So this is where our analysis comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed today's analysis, found it helpful. We will be seeing each other on Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the link will be posted, if not Saturday, then Sunday, as usual. But the link will be posted for the analysis. That's so please make sure you subscribed and you've turned on the notification bell so that you do not miss the time when we will be live again. And again, once more, if you're just joining us right now, please note that the 35% discount is still on till the 23rd of August, where you can buy accounts starting away from 25K all the way to 200K. So make sure you grab yourself an account before that discount ends. So have a jolly good week. Make sure you use your stop loss as you trade, and yeah, all the best and merry good profits. Yeah, we will be seeing you all this weekend on Saturday or Sunday for our weekend analysis.